Otamatic Pump by G Morrison. Spring's hier nu, the sun is out, it's time to pint our boat. Kak the planks had in the oakum, and hope it she'll still float. She'll lay in the pier for 2 or 3 months, till all her planks was dry, waiting for the spring to come, and hoping the worst saw by. The kraan comes out the bodem, and lifts the boat ease in. Folk roaring, hauling at slings, and mocking enough at den. The first thing that we do know is check down below. It's nae so bad as last year, she's stuck in water, but slow. We'll let her settle at 2 or 3 days, she's bound to ticken up. And sure enough, a week is past, she's only taking a sup. 3 weeks gone past, we're out at sea, the wind's freshening fast. A wave breaks across our bow, a shudder goes up our mast. We haul our nets and head for shore, fit a course day. Halfway in, I say to myself, is this a gobs of me? The spray's lashed in o'er the boat, and I shout, "For's a pail!" The fleerboards float about my feet, and a' I could do was bail. Lucky we was on our way in, we just in one bad lump. But fan we got ashore, I bocht an automatic pump.